All right, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup today. I did fake tan earlier, so like developing and it's looking crazy. But anyways, this is the only foundation that I have that matches the tan a little bit, hopefully. But I'm gonna be doing this foundation today. I hate that it doesn't have a pump. You have to buy it separately, which I feel like is so dumb. But oh well. It's a little bit more yellowish, but we'll make it work with bronzer and everything, so yeah. And I did correct right here, so that's why it looks a little bit more peach. Before I blend this with a beauty blender, I'm just gonna spray some Morphe setting spray just so it can blend better. And I love this foundation, it looks super flawless. It's one of my favorites. And I did do my eyebrows earlier. They are not looking the same today. I tried a new technique on this one and I feel like it looks darker, but it's okay. I am not mad at it. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced concealer. This is about the darkest shade that I have in a concealer, so we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna be blending this. Sorry, that was a train. So I'm gonna be blending this with a brush. I'll be using my cream bronzer from NARS. That tan's looking crazy. Now for contour, I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild contour stick. We're using the same brush, but I'm just gonna keep it right here. Now to set my under, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakery powder. And I just noticed I forgot liquid blush. Also set that bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Private Island bronzer. Add some blush, highlighter. I'm gonna let this setting spray dry a little bit and then I'm gonna work on my eyes. I'll be using a new palette that I got. This is the Tarte After Dark palette. I think that's what it's called. So I wanna do like a fall color. So I'm gonna start with this dark brown shade. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna blend it with this yellowish eyeshadow on top. And I put very little product on the brush. And I'm just gonna keep blending the top. Whatever was left on the brush from the first shadow, I'm gonna blend those together. With a little bit of concealer, I'm just gonna tap in here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna blend that. I'm gonna go in with this copper color on my lid. So pretty. I love this shadow. It's so pretty and pigmented. Like I barely even tapped it into my palette. Look at that. So pretty. I'm gonna go back with the brown that I started with and just blend that. That's gorgeous. I'm using some Kiss lashes. So I'm just gonna put the lashes on. Doing the same thing on the bottom.